man? Do you have a stinky breath, man? Do you have the aching breast? Do you need the deodorant under your skin, man? Do you have an itchy vagina? Well, if you use the alcohol, it may burn, but you have to be saved and sorry. Do you have unwanted hair? You need to share? Call me now for your free and tarot card reading, man. Also, today we have the skin cream. All you need to do if your face looks like the pepperoni, all you need to do is add and apply, man. Yeah, just add and apply. Now, man, if you go right now, you can get anything, any of your dresses for free. And if you have the nappy hair, man, all you have to do is get strong enough to pick up that iron comb and do that. Do you, have the Ashley Baby, man? All you have to do is buy Johnson & Johnson. All you have to do is put the little bit on your hand, man, and rub it in, and voila, you smell like the baby, and the baby smell like you. Alright, that's all we have for today. Also, one more thing. If you're blind, you can buy my old glasses I used to wear in the 7th grade, and I'll maybe throw it in for free. So, all you have to do is call me now for your free and tarot card reading. Just joking, see, I'm a joker. Now, call me now. I'm serious.